Hi, today we are going to walk through Wood-Mizer's MP180, a vital workshop machine, planer, jointer and moulder. With Wood-Mizer's MP180, you have all the benefits of moulder, planer and jointer, all in one machine. Its design has a small footprint and a massive capacity for a machine that size. Easily produce flat surfaces, square timber and finished plain boards. A jointer makes flat surfaces and planer makes two opposite sides parallel to each other. Both are essential to making perfectly squared boards. One side cutter enables you to add molding profiles so you can produce tongue and groove boards in two passes. The MP180 efficiently shares one 410 wide horizontal cutter with 4 knife slots between 2 cast iron tables. Jointer capacity 310 mm board width and max takeoff of 8 mm. Planer capacity 410 mm board width, 260 mm board height and max takeoff 4 mm. Molding capacity 310 mm board width, 100 mm board height, max takeoff 10 mm. With all Wood-Mizer planer molders, it is very easy to change knives in all cutter heads. The side cutter is easily accessible by lifting the safety cover. It can be taken out by releasing one locking nut on top of the spindle. All side cutter knives feature 2 mounting holes which allow you to position knives in the same place every time for consistent molding. The height of cutters is adjusted using shims and spacers. Wood-Mizer offers a range of planing and molding knives made from HM and HSS steel for any wood species and application. The upper table is used for jointing and the lower table is used for planing and molding. You can switch between both functions without stopping the machine. The bottom table features 30 mm diameter and 90 mm tall standard spindle. The MP180 comes standard with a cutter head to mount 50 mm tall planing or molding knives. Optional side cutters with different heights and configurations with 2, 3 or 4 knife slots, 40 mm, 90 mm tall are available. At the time of delivery, both cutters are fit with 2 HSS planing knives so that you can start producing smooth, flat timber on day 1. Compared to other jointer planers on the market, the MP180 is easier to use and is very affordable. There are no alterations needed to switch between all 3 functions: jointing, planing, molding. Run the board over the jointer and simply put it straight back into the planer moulder. A user-friendly control panel allows you to run horizontal and vertical cutters together or turn on only one at a time. Both cutters use independent 3 kW motors to maximize performance. A safety guard keeps your hands safe during jointing. The aluminum board fans, supported by 2 steel bars, tilts up to 45 degrees to help you joint angled boards. The cast iron tables provide high vibration damping, long-lasting durability, non-sticking capabilities, and resistance to deformation. The front table can be easily adjusted using a lever. The bottom table height is regulated by an ergonomic crank with a relative scale for precise positioning. If required, the outfeed table can be finely adjusted as well. When planing, two grooved steel power rollers pull your board under the cutter. A polyurethane coated roller located after the cutter helps the board move through the machine without damaging its fine surface. The standard MP180 has a set feed speed of 5 meters a minute, driven by a separate motor. The motor is mounted in a way that it lightly swings when the feed system is engaged or grips the board to eliminate possible damage and any additional vibration. Optionally, variable feed rate can be installed, allowing you to choose feed speed between 2 and 12 meters a minute. One dust extraction point above each cutter allows for a good cut. Wood chips do not build up around cutters and feed rollers. Wood-Mizer offers a range of dust extraction systems, from hoses to connections and extractors. The MP180, a 3-in-1 combined jointer, planer and moulder, is all you need to produce furniture-grade materials for all your projects. Visit Wood-Mizer online or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative for more information on this machine and the entire range of machines that Wood-Mizer has to offer.